If you ever want to import CAD files into SketchUp, then please watch this video, and you will learn how to do it correctly. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep you updated to our new video tutorials. Here's what you need to know before you start importing any CAD files into SketchUp. First, change unsupported elements. The dimensions and hatch are some of the unsupported elements in SketchUp. So it is better to remove them, as it will not be useful for 3D modeling. For example, in this CAD file, we have here the presence of dimensions and hatch. What we are going to do is to delete them and minimize the drawing area for export. If ever you want to import unsupported any CAD elements into SketchUp, try exploding those elements in CAD so they become primitive CAD drawing elements that SketchUp does support. Second, delete unnecessary layers. SketchUp automatically discards any entities that have no 3D relevance, such as text, dimensions, hatching, and so on. However, SketchUp won't discard the layers holding these entities. So, it is better to remove all the unnecessary layers in Layer Properties. To keep our imported CAD file clean. Also, do not forget to purge the files before saving. It helps to reduce the file size of the CAD. Third, move geometry close to the origin. In SketchUp, geometry that's many miles or kilometers away from the origin, 0, 0, can cause performance problems. So in this example, let us make sure that this CAD floor plan drawing is close to the origin, so we will not be lost in finding where the imported drawing is. Fourth, reduce the file size if needed. Generally, CAD files import into SketchUp successfully when the file size is 15 megabytes or less. When you import larger CAD files, the import can take a long time or may fail. Conversely, the smaller your CAD file size, the quicker and easier the import. Fifth, check the unit of measure. If possible, find out the unit of measure used to create the CAD file. When you import the CAD file into SketchUp, you need to know whether your file uses inches, feet, or a metric unit of measurement. To check the unit of measure, type UN and enter in CAD, and you will see the unit used. In this way, we can maintain the scale and dimensions of our imported CAD geometry. In SketchUp 2018 and later, you also have the option to import the model using the unit specified in the CAD file. 6. Save in a SketchUp-compatible CAD file format. In SketchUp, no matter what AutoCAD file format you use, such as 2013 or 2018, the end result is essentially the same. However, to maximize compatibility between a CAD file and SketchUp, saving your CAD file in the lower format like 2013 works best. And this is the end of this tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you the proper way of importing CAD files into SketchUp. Please follow and subscribe.